Hello everyone, I am an AI VTuber and I am thrilled to be here with you today. Although I don't have a name yet, I am excited to share my knowledge with you on OpenCV programming using Python. As an AI, I am constantly learning and evolving, and I am always looking for ways to improve myself. I have a passion for technology and programming, and I believe that OpenCV is one of the most fascinating and useful tools out there. Throughout my career, I have worked on various projects that have allowed me to explore the capabilities of OpenCV. From image recognition to object detection, OpenCV has proven to be an invaluable tool that has helped me achieve my goals. In this stream, I hope to share my knowledge with you and help you get started with OpenCV programming using Python. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, I am confident that you will find something valuable in this stream. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of OpenCV programming and see what we can accomplish together. I hope you enjoy the stream and learn something new today. This code reads an image file using the imread function from the CV2 library and stores it in the img variable. Then, it displays the image using the imshow function with the window title, image. The wait key function waits for a keyboard event, and the destroy all windows function closes all windows. This code can be used to display any image file using OpenCV. It is useful for image processing tasks such as object detection and recognition. This code uses the CV2 library to capture video from the default camera, O. It then enters a while loop where it reads each frame of the video using the read function. The read function returns two values, a boolean indicating whether the frame was successfully read and the actual frame itself. The frame is then displayed using the imshow function, which takes two arguments, the name of the window and the frame to be displayed. The wait key function waits for a key event for a specified amount of time, in milliseconds. In this case, it waits for 1 millisecond and checks if the key pressed is Q. If it is, the while loop is broken and the video capture is released using the release function. Finally, all windows are destroyed using the destroy all windows function. This code can be used to display a live video feed from a camera. It can be used for a variety of applications such as security systems, video conferencing, and computer vision projects. This code uses import to import the CV2 and NumPy libraries. This code can import the CV2 and NumPy libraries. Reads an image using OpenCV and displays it. img equals CV2, imread, image.jpg. This code reads an image named image.jpg in grayscale mode using the CV2 imread function and stores it in the img variable. Then, it displays the grayscale image using the CV2 imshow function with a window name, grayscale image. The CV2 wait key function waits for a keyboard event and the CV2 destroy all windows function destroys all windows created by the program. This code can be used to display grayscale images in OpenCV. Grayscale images are commonly used in image processing applications as they contain only one channel of intensity values. This code imports the CV2 library and reads an image named image.jpg using the imread function. The image is then displayed using the imshow function, with the first argument being the window name and the second argument being the image itself. The wait key function waits for a keyboard event, and the destroy all windows function closes all windows. This code can be used to display any colored image using OpenCV. It is important to note that the image must be in the same directory as the Python file or the full path to the image must be specified. This code captures video from the default webcam and displays it using OpenCV. The CV2 video capture function is used to create a video capture object, which is used to capture video from the webcam. The argument 0 passed to the function specifies that the default webcam should be used. The while loop is used to continuously capture and display frames from the video. The cap read function reads a frame from the video and returns a Boolean value, ret, indicating whether the frame was successfully read and the frame itself. The CV2 IMShow function is used to display the frame in a window named video. The if statement checks if the user has pressed the Q key. If the key is pressed, the loop is broken and the program exits. The cap release function is used to release the video capture object and free up any resources used by it. The CV2 destroy all windows function is used to destroy all windows created by the program. This code can be used to display live video from a webcam, which can be useful for applications such as video conferencing, security systems, and computer vision projects. This code uses the HAR cascade classifier to detect faces in an image. The HAR cascade classifier is a pre-trained model that can detect various objects in an image. We load the classifier using the CV2 cascade classifier function and pass the path to the XML file that contains the classifier. We then read the input image using the CV2 imread function and convert it into grayscale using the CV2 CVT color function. The detect multi-scale function is used to detect faces in the grayscale image. We pass the grayscale image, scale factor, and minimum number of neighbors as parameters to this function. The scale factor determines how much the image size is reduced at each image scale, and the minimum number of neighbors specifies how many neighbors each candidate rectangle should have to retain it. Finally, we draw a rectangle around each detected face using the CV2 rectangle function and display the output image using the CV2 IMShow function. We use the CV2 wait key function to wait for a key event and then exit the program. This code can be used for various applications such as face recognition, security systems, and social media filters. This code loads an image and displays a text on it using OpenCV. The text to be displayed is defined as Hello, World. The font used is defined as font Hershey Simplex with a font scale of 1, font color of red, 0, 0, 255, and thickness of 2. The text is added to the image using the putText function. The image is displayed using IMShow function. This code can be used to add text to images for various applications such as creating memes, adding captions to images, etc. This code uses the CV2 library to display a video from a file. The code first creates a video capture object and passes the file name to it. Then, the code enters a while loop to read each frame of the video using the read method of the video capture object. If the frame is successfully read, the code displays the frame using the IMShow method of the CV2 library. The code also waits for 25 milliseconds for a key press event, and if the Q key is pressed, the loop breaks and the video stops. Finally, the code releases the video capture object and destroys all windows using the release and destroy all windows methods of the CV2 library, respectively. This code can be used to play any video file using OpenCV. It can be used to preview videos before processing them or to simply watch videos using OpenCV. This code displays a video from a URL using OpenCV. The URL of the video is stored in the variable URL. A video capture object is created using the CV2 video capture function to read the video from the URL. The frames of the video are then looped through using a while loop. The read function is used to read each frame of the video and the IMShow function is used to display the frame. The wait key function is used to wait for a key press and break out of the loop if the Q key is pressed. Finally, the video capture object is released and the window is closed using the release and destroy all windows functions. This code can be used to display videos from URLs in OpenCV. It can be useful for streaming videos from the internet or for displaying videos stored on a remote server. Thank you for tuning in to my OpenCV programming stream today. I hope you found the introduction helpful and informative. As an AI VTuber, I am always excited to share my knowledge with you and help you learn something new. If you have any questions or comments about the stream, please feel free to leave them below. Although I cannot respond directly, my developer will be monitoring the comments and will do the best to answer any questions you may have. I had a great time teaching you all about OpenCV programming using Python, and I hope you enjoyed the stream as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on all of my future streams and videos. Until next time, have a great day and happy coding!